Welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to create a quick in-depth review about this legal service platform, which is LegalShield. So let's dive into it. Talking about LegalShield is a subscription-based legal service that gives you access to attorney for a flat monthly fee, making it a budget-friendly option for individual, families, and small business. Plan cover things like will preparation, document review, contract help, trial events, and even 24/7 emergency legal support. For many people, this predictability and peace of mind is a huge plus compared to paying high hourly attorney rate. On the downside, LegalShield often gets mixed review due to slow response time, confusing cancellation policies, and inconsistent attorney quality depending on your state. Some customers find the service incredibly helpful, while others feel let down when facing more complex or urgent legal need. Overall, it's good choice if you want affordable basic legal help, but not ideal if you expect top-tier legal representation or quick personalized services. And that's it. Hope you find the review helpful. If you did, turn on the revision button and subscribe for more reviews.